Hello everyone. Today in this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best vanity mirror with lights in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Hompen Lighted Vanity Mirror. The HOMPEN makeup mirror with light, making your dressing table more beautiful, convenient for you to do makeup. White, neutral and warm light available. Short, you can touch the left button to change the light color. 12 dimmable bulbs around the mirror offer you sufficient and adjustable brightness, without worried about the unwanted glare or shadows, can meet your different need. HOMPEN makeup mirror has a 5V 2A USB charging port designed in the side of the mirror frame, easy to charge your phone. The mirror is with 3 color settings and adjustable brightness cool light, you can freely enjoy your makeup. It is a detachable mirror base and hanging setting. This large makeup mirror designed with a detachable base and 2-hole behind for hanging. Can hang on the wall or stand on the table. The mirror size is L22.8. XH17.5, for the ideal mirror view. At number 4. Waking Makeup Mirror with Lights. The WAYKING makeup mirror is a lighted makeup mirror with 3 color modes. This makeup mirror features the 12 built-in LED bulbs, can provide cool light, warm white light and warm lights 2700K for daily makeup. The touchscreen dimmers make it convenient to turn the vanity mirror on, off, switch the different lightings and adjust the brightness freely. Memory function keeps the mirror returned to the same setting when turned on again. WAYKING makeup mirror with light built-in handy design. The USB port is designed inside of this makeup mirror, by which you can easily charge your phone or other mobile devices while doing makeup. The mirror's frame and base are crafted of alloy metal, with a burnished finish. Comes with gorgeous looking. The mirror comes to assemble and electric, no installation and battery required. At number 3. iCreate Makeup Mirror. The iCreate Hollywood makeup mirror can adjust light brightness, has a daylight warm white warm light option, and a memory function that restores it to the same mode as when it was turned off. The power outlet with USB port is designed on the side of the mirror. It is convenient to charge your mobile phone or another USB device while makeup. iCreate Hollywood makeup mirror has 12 dimmable bulbs that are long-lasting of up to 50,000 hours lifespan. This makeup mirror with a superior clear image. Soft lighting, no glare, easy makeup surround type distribution can fulfill light. It's show the most beautiful you. The makeup mirror is very easy to use and simple to set up. Plug and play, no wiring or assembly is required. It provides you worry-free 36-month warranty and friendly customer service. At number 2. Waneway Vanity Mirror with Lights. The Waneway Vanity Mirror with Light professional and adjustable lighting with the included touch sensor dimmer switch. The brightness of this large light up a mirror can be adjusted as you desire. It is designed to provide a professional color correct, natural and inviting glow, allowing you to get a glamorous Hollywood feeling while doing precious makeup applications, hair styling and dressing. Last forever LED bulbs. This lighted makeup mirror will come with 14 ultra bright 6500K LED bulbs, and 1 extra for backup. Waneway Vanity Mirror with Light is designed to last for over 50,000 hours. Tabletop or wall mounted. The stand is removable so you can choose to set it on a table or hang it on a wall. With all the included hardware, screwdriver and clear instruction, it's very easy to set up. Assembly time will take about 5 to 15 minutes. At number 1. Hollywood Makeup Mirror with LED Light. The Waneway Hollywood Makeup Mirror with LED light is 1400 lumens and a color rendering index. It illuminates your entire room and casts non-flickering, natural, even lighting on your face without any unwanted shadows, providing a professional color-correct light for makeup. Simply touch the dimmer to achieve the desired brightness. They're designed to last over 50,000 hours and never get hot. These Waneway Hollywood makeup mirrors with multiple choices of color temperature ranging from 4000K 6000K. The lighted vanity makeup mirror can easily switch between cool white, soft daylight, natural light, or a warm glow to help you see your makeup exactly. With a large 31.5 W by 24 inches H screen and 1/3 the thickness of these bulky Hollywood mirrors on the market. This illuminated mirror provides a full view of the entire face for cosmetic applications, hair styling, and dressing.